Today I am reviewing the Ninja Kitchen System. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to powerful and versatile kitchen appliances, the Ninja Kitchen System BR601AMZ stands out as an all-in-one solution designed to handle a wide range of food preparation tasks. From smoothies and frozen drinks, to chopping vegetables, and even mixing dough, this system brings together multiple appliances into one compact and efficient unit. At the heart of this system is a powerful 1,200-watt motor base. This is where the real strength comes from. With this level of power, the machine is capable of handling tough ingredients with ease. Whether you're crushing ice, blending frozen fruit, or processing dense ingredients like nuts or dough, the motor delivers consistent and reliable performance. You don't have to worry about the machine struggling or stalling, even with heavy loads. One of the standout features is the set of 5 preset programs. These include Smoothie, Frozen, Extract, Chop, and Dough. Each program is designed to automatically control the speed and timing, which removes the guesswork from your cooking or blending tasks. For example, when making a smoothie, you can simply press the smoothie button and let the system do all the work, ensuring consistent results every time. This is especially helpful for beginners or anyone who wants convenience without sacrificing quality. The 72-ounce full-size pitcher is perfect for preparing large batches. Whether you're making smoothies for the whole family, frozen drinks for guests, or large quantities of blended recipes, this pitcher provides ample capacity. It's ideal for meal prepping or entertaining, saving you time by allowing you to make more in a single batch. The total crushing blade system inside the pitcher is designed to handle ice and frozen ingredients effortlessly, turning them into smooth, snow-like textures in seconds. In addition to the large pitcher, the system also includes an 8-cup food processor bowl. This expands the functionality significantly, allowing you to chop vegetables, shred ingredients, and even mix dough. With the included chopping blade and dough blade, you can prepare everything from salads to bread dough using the same machine. This makes the Ninja Kitchen System not just a blender, but a true multifunctional food processor. The inclusion of 2 18-ounce single-serve cups adds even more convenience. These cups are perfect for making individual drinks that you can take on the go. Just blend directly in the cup, attach the spout lid, and you're ready to head out the door. This is especially useful for busy mornings or for anyone who prefers single-serving portions instead of making large batches. Another important feature is the manual speed control. While the preset programs are convenient, having manual control gives you more flexibility. With low, high, and pulse settings, you can fine-tune the blending process depending on the texture you want. This is great for users who prefer more hands-on control over their recipes. The system also uses a stacked blade assembly designed for powerful crushing performance. These blades are built to handle ice and frozen ingredients efficiently, making them ideal for smoothies, shakes, and frozen drinks. The combination of powerful blades and a strong motor ensures consistent results every time you use it. Cleaning is also made easy with this system. All containers, lids, and blades are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe on the top rack. This means less time spent cleaning and more time enjoying your food or drinks. The removable parts make it simple to rinse and load into the dishwasher without hassle. In terms of design, the unit comes in a sleek dark gray finish that fits well in most modern kitchens. It's compact enough to sit on your countertop without taking up too much space, yet powerful enough to replace multiple appliances. The build quality feels solid, which is important for a device that handles heavy-duty tasks. What really makes this system stand out is its versatility. It's not just a blender. It's a smoothie maker, a food processor, a dough mixer, and more, all in one device. This reduces the need to buy multiple appliances, saving both money and counter space. Included in the box, you get the 1,200-watt motor base, the 72-ounce pitcher, the 8-cup food processor bowl, 2 18-ounce single-serve cups, multiple blade assemblies, and a recipe guide to help you get started. This makes it a complete package right out of the box, ready to handle a wide variety of kitchen tasks. Overall, the Ninja Kitchen System is a powerful, versatile, and convenient appliance that can handle just about anything you throw at it. It's especially well-suited for people who enjoy making smoothies, frozen drinks, and homemade meals, or anyone looking to simplify their kitchen setup with an all-in-one solution. If you want a high-performance kitchen system that combines power, versatility, and ease of use, this Ninja model is definitely worth considering.